Decoding the phrase, Athanoor. Hello everyone. Today, we're going to dive into the phrase, Athanoor. Ever come across it and wondered what it meant? Stick around as we unfold its meaning and usage. Athanoor isn't a typical English phrase you'd hear every day. Its roots trace back to various non-English languages. Knowing its origin helps us understand its meaning. In some contexts, Athanoor can refer to a kind of traditional oven or furnace used in many cultures for cooking or other purposes. The word may have variations in spelling or pronunciation depending on the region or language. If you've ever seen a traditional clay or brick oven, that could be an Athanoor. Let's see how Athanoor can be used in sentences. 1. The bread was baked in an Athanoor, giving it a distinct smoky flavor. 2. Villagers often gather around the Athanoor during winters for warmth. 3. The potter uses an Athanoor to harden the clay pots. It's essential to remember that Athanoor might not be widely recognized in all English-speaking regions. So, if you're using this term with someone unfamiliar, be ready to explain what it means. So there you have it, the meaning and usage of Athanoor. We hope this video has been enlightening, and the next time you come across this term, you'll know exactly what it means. Keep exploring, and happy learning!